こんにちは、エリカです。Hi, this is Erica and we're going to be studying for the JLPT exam. So today we're going to do lesson number 1 and we're going to do 勉強すれば JLPT に合格します。We are going to do this part, れば and もし何々たら. So this means if you do something, then this will happen. もし blank たら. So this means if something. So let's try looking at grammar 1 of 1, 文法1の1. So, たら, if we use this when we want to say something like 明日雨が降ったら家で本を読みたいです. Okay, if it rains tomorrow, 降ったらI want to read a book at home. 家で本 this is book を読みたいです. So, first sentence, if it rains, you will want to read a book at home. Next sentence, 明日雨が降らなかったらサッカーをしに行きたいです. So in this case, if it does not rain tomorrow. So, if it's sunny. If it does not rain tomorrow, I want to go play soccer. サッカーをしに行きたいです. So, the word used along with たら. So in this case, 降ったら. If it rains. 降ったら. This is top form. Top form. And, of course, this one as well. 降らなかったら, if it does not rain, this is also top form. So let's look at what top form is. Please look at the next page. 表1の1, the table 1 of 1. Okay, so the top form is divided into 3 groups here when we use it with a verb. So first group, group 1, 会います to meet. Top form is 会ったら. 帰ります to go home. Top form is 帰ったら. 飲みます to drink. Top form is 飲んだら. And 書きます to write. Top form is 書いたら. And a special form in group 1. 行きます to go. Please remember this. Top form is 行ったら. So it's a bit different. And please look at the group 2, verb group 2. 食べます to eat. Top form is 食べたら. And 貸します to lend. Top form is 貸したら. And now let's look at the final group, group number 3. 来ます to come. Top form is 来たら. And します to do is したら. Okay, now let's look at e-adjective, not adjective, and nouns. So, たら can be also used with e-adjective, not adjective, and also nouns, but the form is different. So, please look at the next page, 表1の2, table 1 of 2. Let's first look at e-adjectives. First one, 遠い. It means far. 遠い. The top form is 遠かったら. Okay. Next one, 多い. This is a large amount, or there's plenty. 多い. Top form is 多かったら. Okay, so e-adjective, you put かったら after. Okay, now let's look at not adjectives. Okay, not adjective, first one, 不便な. This is inconvenient. 不便な. Top form is 不便だったら. Okay, And next, na adjective. 大切な. This means important. An important something. Top form is 大切だったら. Okay. Now please look at the nouns. How do we use top form with nouns? First one, 本当. This means real. Top form is 本当だったら. Okay. And 満員. This means full. So the limited number of people is full. 満員. Top form is 満員だったら. Okay, all you have to do is put だったら after a noun. And now let's look at some examples when we actually use them in a sentence. So please look at the next page. 文法1の2, grammar 1 of 2. So let's look at number 1. 性格が優しかったら好きになります. If they have a kind, 優しかったら, kind personality, I will like them. Okay? Here you have 優しかったら. So if they are kind. So the original word is, it's an E adjective. Okay? 優しい. Yasashi, it's E adjective. So all you have to do is write 優しかったら. Okay? Form for E adjective. Next one, number 2. 休みたかったら. Okay, this is also E adjective. It is originally 休みたい. 休みたい. So I want to rest. Okay, 休みたかったら先生に言ってください. If you want to take a day off, please tell the teacher. So 休みたい becomes 休みたかったら. Okay. Now next one, number 3. Number 3. 太りすぎてしまったら病気になると思います. So if you become obese, 太りすぎてしまったら, or if you gain too much weight, I think you'll get sick. So sick as in maybe diabetes or an illness. So 太りすぎてしまったら, if you gain too much weight, these are 3 verbs. 太ります, to be fat. 太ります and 過ぎます 過ぎます and しまいます。太ります、過ぎます、しまいます。Add them. 太りすぎてしまったら. So this is a verb. So for verbs, this is ます。しまいます becomes しまったら. Okay, 太りすぎてしまったら. Number 4. 一人でできなかったら手伝うよ. If you cannot do it by yourself, できなかったら I will help you. 手伝うよ. So できなかったら this is E adjective できない. So できない you cannot do it becomes できなかったら. Okay? If you don't know how to change it to top form, please look at the table we did before. Alright. Now let's go to the next page. 言葉2の1. Words 2, 1. So I'm going to be reading this. Please try saying them and look at the meanings. Okay, first one. やめます。やめたら. This means stop or end. やめます。やめたら. Next one on the right. 中止します。中止したら. To stop or cease. 中止します。中止したら. Next one on the right. 似ます。似たら. To look like or resemble. 似ます。似たら. Okay, next one. Next line. 頼みます。頼んだら. 頼みます。頼んだら. To ask or beg. Next one. お願いします。お願いしたら. お願いします。お願いしたら. Ask a favor or a request. Next one. 謝ります。謝ったら.